Hello, I'm Mr. Diamond of the Crypto Diamond channel, and today we're going over Ripple XRP and why it's currently outperforming Bitcoin and up almost 30% for the month, and where it's going with the information I have found. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay up to date with all my crypto content. Alright guys, and like I said, Ripple is actually jumping pretty high. I did not expect this because that Ripple was one of my first investments when I actually got into crypto about 7 years ago. And I lost a lot of money in XRP because they're always in legal suits and legal battles, but it looks like they are actually the top performing coin right now, and there's a lot of reasons why they're outperforming a lot of tokens right now as well. We're going to go into this a little bit deeper, but as you see here on Yahoo Finance, leverage is ramping up in crypto as XRP leads the altcoin rally. And this is done by Bloomberg as well on the Yahoo Finance, guys. Hard to get a Bloomberg article that you can actually see for free, so it's right here on Yahoo. I'll put this in the description of the video. Run up it online for your viewing, guys. Alright guys, and here is the article written by Bloomberg. Decentralized finance is making a surprise comeback as the latest cryptocurrency rally spreads to the sector that has struggled with growth since last year's high-profile collapses and a jump in interest rates in traditional markets. You've seen that a lot in housing, a big inflation, fluctuation in the housing market as well, but they are doing NFTs or homes into NFTs, so this might help with this. I don't know, but you're going to be seeing a lot of traditional forms of deeds, paperwork, and titles being converted into NFTs. This may help with the markets that have been inflated. They might not, who knows, because this helps take out the middleman, which takes out the extra fees, the taxes, giving the seller and the buyer more financial freedom to work with right there. You come down a little bit further, interest rates to borrow stablecoins meant to track the US dollar, such as USDC and Tether, have surged, which means there's a lot of people getting ready to bike some purchases. The only time you see USDC and Tether go up is when people are either pulling out of Bitcoin and Ethereum and other altcoins to go ahead and make a large purchase, or they're on-ramping a lot of money to make a large purchase in the future. This is the only time where you're going to see a huge surge of stablecoins. Alright guys, this is from a pattern of 6 years in crypto. So I can tell you for a fact that's what that is right there. You go over to CoinDesk, has an article on XRP as well, and it's because several institutions are going to start adopting Ripple services, which is another thing I never thought would happen because, like I said, they were always in legal battles, always struggling. I kind of pulled out of XRP years ago, but it is a good investment as of right now. They have been audited. I see them at every crypto event. They're always sponsoring things at these events. They're always trying to show what they have to offer. It is a good product. They do have audits. They do have white papers. They have all the proper documentation, and they try to follow the legal parts in America and other countries as well. So XRP traders are often react to Ripple developments even as the company maintains distance from the token. So they try to keep away from the token, but the investors, obviously, they want to keep track of it. That's their price. That's their trading tools. And that's how they actually get around with XRP. There's other things that were XRP in the past. I know they were using it for, I believe, Visa payments as well, and other credit cards. I don't know. I'm not going to confirm that as of right now. I haven't found that information for this video. This is more for why the price is currently jumping, and this is why. And if you want to cover to the medium as well, you see that they're going to be launching an event in Dubai in the next 2 days. And if Dubai bites here, they're going to see another price jump, possibly, if anybody in Dubai goes ahead and invests in this. And Dubai is one of the richest countries in the world, so if somebody invests in this in Dubai, you're going to see a huge price surge. You're going to see some prices go up, and this is November 8th and 9th, I believe. So yes, the next 2 days of me filming this video, you're going to see Ripple hosting an event in Dubai. And right here, you do see an $850 million investment has helped jump the price to almost 70 cents. So somebody has a large belief that XRP is going to be huge. When you see $850 million just get jumped into a project, they don't do that without knowing what they're going to put it into. They're not just going to put almost $1 billion into something that's going to fail. So they've obviously done the research. They have an idea of what's going to happen, but you still want to do your own research before you invest because you usually have a correction after something this huge. When you see a price swing this high, you're going to see a pullback. The same idea as a tidal wave in the ocean. The wave comes in, it pulls back out, and then the next wave comes. So I don't see this being the best time to invest right now. You want to do your own research. I would see a huge pullback here in the future if you follow the pattern of the Bitcoin halving. This is where I lost my money because I came in when the surges happened before the last halving, and I lost a lot of money because you had these surges, and then what you have is what I call shaking the tree, when the large whales try to drop the price to get all the loose hands out of the investments. The people that are scared, don't want to lose their money, then they drop out. Then you see the price shoot up, and all the people that had invested there are now, they took control of the market. But that's how trading works. That's why they call them diamond hands, the people that actually hold on when the trees are shaking, as I call it. And if you want to see more about the XRP price, come over here to CoinGecko, the best place to see anything in crypto investment and prices. It has everything you need on here, including the home pages and everything the project is connected with. As you can see, as of right now, we are up 31.8% for the month, 24% for the past 2 weeks, and 19% in the past 7 days. So just 20% alone in the past week. And we just saw this with Selena as well, and a couple other tokens rising. You're going to see a huge altcoin rally, but the halving is coming in April. So I do expect the altcoins to drop and have a little bit of pullback and correction as people take their profits and go ahead and start taking those profits and investing in Bitcoin right before the halving. Because that's what has happened. That's usually the pattern of things. They take their altcoin profits and they invest it in Bitcoin. And then you see Bitcoin price rise and the altcoin price drop. If you want to know where to buy XRP, Coinbase, great place to buy it. It's been on Coinbase since Coinbase has been in existence. Probably the easiest place to buy it if you're in the US. If you're not in the US, you can buy it on pretty much any platform. Binance, Uniswap, anywhere on it. Any DEX sells XRP. And they do have a huge community. They do have a lot of job openings as well. Any of you out there, development, Ripple is hiring. If you want to go over here, just learn more, click on that learn more tab, come to the bottom and find careers, and you can go ahead and look for jobs within Ripple as well. Good place. There's always openings in crypto jobs, guys. Doesn't mean you're always going to get them, but they are good jobs. A lot of jobs and careers opening up in crypto. They're even starting college courses in crypto, which means crypto is going nowhere. So you're going to see a lot of college courses starting here shortly as well. And I'll put all the links for the social media platforms in here for Ripple as too for you guys. If you have any questions about Ripple XRP, any more questions about why the price is jumping up, feel free to reach out to me on the Crypto Diamond Discord, the Crypto Diamond Telegram, the Crypto Diamond Facebook, or the Crypto Diamond Twitter. Everybody have a great day trading. Goodbye.